Olá a todos! Today I will be teaching you a shortcut to start using Portuguese idioms confidently. Native Portuguese speakers use idioms all the time, and they add an important richness to the language that you don't want to miss out. These ways of speaking are characteristic of a language and culture and reflect fixed ideas, so they cannot be translated word by word. They usually differ from country to country, even if they speak the same language. I decided to do a comprehensive search to find expressions that are exactly the same between English and Portuguese. Consider this baby step number 1 on your study of idioms, since they will be easier to memorize and to know the context on when to use. E agora, vamos começar! Our first idiom is to have a heart of gold. In Portuguese, ter coração de ouro. We use this expression to refer to someone that is very kind and generous. In this article of Nova Gente magazine, Kátia Aveiro highlights Dolores Aveiro's heart of gold, helping unprivileged children. Kátia Aveiro destaca Coração de Ouro de Dolores Aveiro, que ajudou crianças desfavorecidas. Now we have in the same boat. In Portuguese, no mesmo barco. This expression is used when 2 or more people are in the same situation. Tenho de trabalhar este fim de semana. Estamos no mesmo barco. Eu também. I have to work this weekend. We are in the same boat. Me too. Next is the expression to have no heart. In Portuguese, não ter coração. Used when we refer to a person who is insensitive and shows no feelings or empathy for anyone. O meu chefe não tem coração. Ontem pediu-me para trabalhar 18 horas seguidas. My boss has no heart. Yesterday he asked me to work 18 hours in a row. The English idiom beginner's luck is in Portuguese sorte de principiante. This expression refers to a person's unexpected success in an activity that they are doing for the first time. O João jogou xadrez pela primeira vez ontem e ganhou. Sorte de principiante. João played chess for the first time yesterday and won. Beginner's luck. Next, we have the idiom to lose one's head. In Portuguese, perder a cabeça. I'm sure we have all lost our heads in a particular situation. It happens when we lose control and do not react in a calm way, exceeding our limits of tolerance and patience. Very common in sports, as in this example. Sané perdeu a cabeça no Áustria-Alemanha, acertou em cheio na cara do adversário e foi expulso. Sané lost his head in the Austria-Germany game, hit his opponent in the face and was sent off. Lastly, we have slap in the face, in Portuguese, chapada na cara, used to express a surprising act that offends or insults someone. Eu fiz o trabalho todo e o meu chefe ficou com o mérito. Que grande chapada na cara. I did all the work and my boss got the credit. What a slap in the face. I hope you enjoyed today's 6 expressions. Were you aware of these common shared idioms between both languages? I have more on my list. Share with me in the comments below if I should work on a part 2 video. Até a próxima!